Google Pixel 8a camera glass replacement. It should be pretty easy. For this one, I'm going to use isopropyl alcohol, 99%. So before I start doing anything, I'm going to rub a little bit of the alcohol on the camera glass, on the area where the camera glass is broken. And this is going to start soaking the double-sided tape between the camera glass and the frame of the device. One finger inside the alcohol, then you come here and rub it on the camera glass. You will see that the alcohol is going to get sucked in, wipe out any excess. This is the kit that I'm going to use for the camera glass replacement. Introduce the blade between the camera glass and the frame of the device, starting with this point. Next, I'm going to insert the blade inside the alcohol and then bring the blade near the camera glass and insert the blade below the broken camera glass. And then repeat, put the blade between the glass and the frame of the device. If you do this right, you're going to see the glass is going to get lifted, just like you just saw it. Insert the blade below the broken camera glass. So at this moment, it is a little bit difficult. I can add a little bit of alcohol, the finger near the blade, for 1 drop of alcohol to go right here and get sucked in. By doing this, I can start pulling upward and you can see the whole thing is getting lifted. So at this point, I can just grab this one and pull to remove this big piece of broken camera glass. Start pulling. Dip the blade inside the alcohol, then bring the blade near the camera. The tiny drop of alcohol are going to get soaked in. So blade inside the alcohol, bring the blade near the camera glass, then insert the blade below. I can grab a tweezer and start pull. Remove the broken glass. Here is the result so far with the broken camera glass removed. And remove the excess tape. So at this point, all the broken glass have been removed and the double-sided tape also has been removed. Here's how it looks. By doing this, you're going to remove most of the double-sided tape that is still inside the camera bezel. Here's the final result. Everything is clean now. Blew some air on it. Before you continue, you need to test the cameras to make sure that everything is working. They are all in focus and everything is working properly. Make sure that everything is in focus. Take pictures, videos. For this step, you need a tweezer. If you have a tweezer, then you're going to remove the blue plastic. This is the new camera glass with the double-sided tape on the back. Then now you do the installation just like this. The small hole on the small camera, the big hole on the big camera. So right before the installation of the camera glass, make sure that you have it in the correct orientation. So here's the correct orientation for the camera glass. Drop the camera glass inside. Make sure that it is fully seated in. Then start applying pressure for the camera glass to stick. Right after this, make sure that you test the cameras to make sure that everything is working properly. Here's the ultra wide. Now it looks a lot better. So everything is good. The camera is in focus. Everything is working as it is supposed to. Camera glass replacement of the Pixel 8a completed.